Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 611 Maris Run in Webster. This is a stunning center entrance colonial in immaculate condition. I'm Rob Testa with Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. This 2,700 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath colonial boasts phenomenal open living that is exceptional for entertaining. With 4 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, plus convenient first floor laundry. I hope you enjoyed the tour of 611 Maris Run in Webster, one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate. Cheers to living here.